Okay, we're going to continue our geometry unit this week, and we are talking about complementary and supplementary angles. So complementary angles, those are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. So an example could be, let's say we had an angle that was 52 degrees. So we have a 52 degree angle. And if we had another one right here that was 38 degrees, they should add to a 90 degree angle. So let's check that. If we do 52 plus 38, we would get 90 degrees. So these two angles are complementary. Supplementary angles is our other new term this week. These are two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. An example would be, let's say we had an angle that measured 128 degrees and another angle that measured 52 degrees. If we check that, we would do 128 degrees plus 52 degrees. And if you add those together, we would get 180 degrees. So these two angles are supplementary. So you're going to have a couple types of problems on your worksheet this week. One of them, you'll be given an angle and you're going to be asked to find the complement and supplement. In this case, you're given a 41 degree angle. So if we want to find the complement of 41 degrees, we need to think about 41 plus what number would give us 90. Because remember, our definition of complementary angles is that they have to add to 90 degrees. So to get the complement, we have 41 plus some other angle measurement, which we're going to call x, equals 90 degrees. So you just have to subtract 41, and you would get that x equals, and if you do 90 minus 41, you should get 49 degrees. So our complement of 41 degrees equals 49 degrees. For our supplement, it's going to be similar, but remember, supplementary angles add to 180 degrees. So for the supplement, we would do 41 plus some variable, which we're going to call x, should equal 180 degrees. So we're going to try to solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 41 on each side, and I'm going to get x equals 139 degrees. So that's my supplement, 139 degrees. It's just subtraction, super easy. The second type of problem you're going to see is you're going to be given two angle measurements, and they're going to ask you, state whether the given pairs are complementary or supplementary. So if you want to check if two angles are complementary or supplementary, what you're going to do is add them together. So we're going to take 21 and we're going to add 159. And we're going to see what that gives us. So in your calculator, you're going to do 21 plus 159. And when you do that, you should get 180 degrees. And if two angles add to 180 degrees, that is the definition of a supplementary angle. So we are going to say that is supplementary. On your homework, you could abbreviate that if you want. You could write SUPP, or you could just write S if you want to abbreviate that, but just know that that stands for supplementary. All right, part B, we have 82 degrees and we have 8 degrees. So let's add these two angles together, 82 degrees plus 8 degrees. If you put that in your calculator, you're going to get 90 degrees. If we go back up to our definitions, two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. That's exactly what we have here. That's the definition of a complementary angle. So this is complementary. And on your homework, you could abbreviate that as like COMP or just C. So those are just abbreviations that you could use if you want to.